Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Wijden. I'm a STid Mobile ID expert and today I'm very happy to present to you the brand new STid Mobile ID Portal. This platform has been designed to provide our customers with a secure, reliable and user-friendly environment to manage their virtual access cards. The STid Mobile ID Portal is certified, ensuring a robust and trustworthy infrastructure. It is ISO 27001 and SecNum Cloud certified, the highest security standards in Europe. It is fully GDPR compliant, protecting all your personal data. The platform benefits from 24/7 monitoring. It is designed to be resilient against cyber threats with firewalls, DDoS protection, and web application firewall in place. It includes a strong disaster recovery and backup strategy, ensuring service continuity at all times. With all these measures, you can be confident that your data and your digital identity are protected to the highest standard. Now, let me show you how easy it is to create a new account in the STid Mobile ID portal. To start, open your browser and go to the STid Mobile ID login page. I'm actually using Google Chrome. And please type the following link in order to regain access to the login page. So on this page, we notice a few key elements. First, at the top right, you can choose the language of the login page. So actually we have English and French, and we have the following three main buttons. First one, login, in order to sign in with your existing account, create an account button to register a new one, and last, lost password. In case you need to reset your password, you simply enter your email and you will receive a reset link. Today we will focus on the second option, create a new account. So let's do it together. Here we have this registration form with this following fields. All fields marked with the orange icon are mandatory. So first we have company name. So your account represents your organization. So you can enter the name of your company. For example, for this video, I can use STid Tutorials as a company name. Then I have first name and a last name. They are the personal information of the person who is actually creating the account. So he will be automatically the super administrator. I can use STid admin and I have the email link. The email address, sorry. So the email address, just one important information. You must use your email address from a private provider. All generic and public shared emails are not accepted to create new accounts because this ensures better privacy, security, and control. So I already typed my email address and I have to create a new password. One information about the password, it must contain at least 12 characters with at least one uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, and one special characters. And here I have to complete the following CAPTCHA for security. In case if it looks too difficult, you can refresh until you get an easier one. For example, I can use this one. And finally, before validating, I need to check the following boxes to accept the terms of use and personal data processing policy. And I click on create an account. So here I have this confirmation that the account has been created successfully, and I will receive a validation link by email in order to confirm my email address. So here I received the email notification that it says that I need to click on the following link in order to confirm the creation. And please note that the link is only valid for 30 minutes. So I click on confirm the account. I will be redirected to another page and I will have this confirmation that the account has been verified. So now I can go back to the login page and regain access to the new created access. I click Next. And here I need to fill the following information related to the company. I have the company name that I already put while creating this account. I have CEO and manager. I can, for example, use this, and the street address, the zip code, then the city, and finally the country. So all this information are related to your organization or to your company. I click Next again, and I have the following form is to fill all the information related to the user who is actually have access inside this account organization. So I have the first name, last name, and I have also the job title and phone numbers. And here I have this onboarding pop-ups in order to guide you through the whole portal in case you are looking for it or you lose it. You can go to the profile section and you click on tutorials, and here you have the different parts of the application in order to discover more and you get any information you are looking for. So that's an overview of the new STid Mobile ID Portal. Secure, certified, and simple to use. In the next video, I will show you how to request for credits to start creating virtual access cards effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest tutorials and product news.